What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited keys and coins and unlock everything in Subway Surfers mod. So let's get started. So first thing, you have to delete the Subway Surfers you got. 100% this is true and legit. So delete Subway Surfers. I'm going to tell you what to go to in the link. There's going to be a link below in the description. So go to this right here. It's right here. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just go to it. Sorry. Next, install. This might take a couple minutes, guys, so just wait. So I'm gonna just pause it till it get done installing. Okay, I'm back, guys. It's done installing. So open. Here we go. It's pretty simple. You guys can see. Look at my high score, 2 billion. Have every character unlocked. You can see every character from every update is on here, by the way. I can tell you that. Every update. All the boards, every single board that came with the update, including these new modded boards. Yeah, so this is literally unlocked everything. Unlocked everything. 2 billion keys, 2 billion coins, everything. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.